Hey Revolve, it's Ashley Nichole for those of you who don't know me, and today we are unboxing the 2025 Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. Here she is. This bad boy is packed with $800 worth of beauty products, and it's going for only, drumroll please, $150. Last year's calendar was worth $500, and I'm so excited to see how they're topping it this year. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I grew up getting advent calendars every single year, and let me tell you, as much as I love some milk chocolate, I wish I had this instead. Look at how beautiful she is. I love all the colors. This was gonna be so much fun. The hardest part was always not going for 25 right away, but we are going to go in order, starting off with number 1. Ooh, oh my God, I love Moroccan oil. Okay, we have an intense hydrating mask by Moroccan Oil. I am obsessed with everything Moroccan Oil makes. This instantly adds hydration and conditioning to your hair, and the before and after is wild. I love taking this when I travel because my hair tends to just like get super dry when I'm traveling. Okay, number 2. This is so much fun. Ooh, this is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. So this is like a finishing spray, but with like a glowy effect afterwards. This has such a pearly finish to it. Look at that glow. Look at that shimmer. I've never used this product before. I guarantee you the next time I do my makeup, I will be giving this a try. She's so pretty and she's such a full size. I love this. And number 3 is, ooh, Salt and Stone. I love everything Salt and Stone makes. This is a mini Salt and Stone saffron and cedar. It smells so good. This is a body lotion. This is excellent to keep in your bag, maybe your car, or if you have like a jet setter friend that tends to travel a lot and is always on the go, perfect gift for them. Moving on to number 4, which was kind of right above number 3. Very helpful. Jour. This is a tinted hydrating lip oil. I love lip oil, but I haven't tried Jour before. This is a pretty pale pink, which actually is a very similar pink to the box that it came in. It's a very nudie pink, and I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it a little bit since it is mine, so we can see the color on my skin. Ooh, it's very opaque. It goes on like butter. It's very smooth. It definitely feels like an oil, not like a gloss, which I love. I definitely prefer a lip oil to a gloss these days, so I'm a big fan. I'll definitely be keeping this one for myself. And we are moving on to number 5. Here she is down here on bottom. We have another big box. It's very exciting. Ooh, is it? Skin therapy. Ooh, Herborian Korean Skin Therapy 17 super ingredient. I haven't tried this before, so let's open her up. Okay, she says to shake her. Let's see. Oh, beautiful packaging. I've heard the most amazing things about this brand. I have tried their skin tint. It's similar to like a foundation, and I loved it, but I haven't tried their skincare before. It's very light and very watery. It's absorbing very quickly. I'm getting the sense that this would work very well under makeup, which love, or possibly even like mix well with your foundation if you're the type of person who likes to do that. I am, so I might try to play with this next time I do my makeup as well. It's also not sticky, which is checking a lot of boxes for me, I'm gonna be honest. So if you have someone in your family who is a skincare fanatic, this one's for them. Moving on to number 6, we have another pink box, and we have, what is it? Dr. Barbara Sturm, a face cream. I have always wanted to try Dr. Barbara Sturm's products before. I've heard nothing but great things about her, and I just haven't been able to try any of her products before, so I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna keep this one. This is a travel size, so again, great for any of your jet setter friends or something to keep in your bag when you're on the go. All right, number 7. Oh my God, this is one of my favorites. This has been in my travel bag for probably 4 or 5 years. This is Ouai's leave-in conditioner. This is the mini size, excellent for traveling. I have had this in the big size. I've had this in the travel size. This stuff smells incredible. It detangles and conditions your hair. I could go on and on and on about this specific product because I love it so much. My hair tends to get very tangly, so I'm a big fan. But even if your hair doesn't get tangly, this is so richly hydrating and deeply conditioning. It's great for all hair types. Again, this is great for your friend who likes to travel, but also if you go to the gym a lot and do your hair there or get ready there, this is great to just throw in your gym bag as well. This is just all in all, just a great product. Okay, I'm done talking about it, I swear. Okay, moving on to number 8. Oh, thought it was gonna fall. I was hoping for like a big dramatic tumble. Here we go. Let's open her up. What is it? Oh, I see her. I see her down there. We have a Tower 28 lip balm. I've actually never tried the Tower 28 lip balm. I have tried their facial spray because it literally went viral and was all over my For You page, but I haven't tried this, so I'm gonna keep this for myself. This is a little mini. This is perfect for a stocking stuffer. Again, great to keep in your bag, great to keep in your gym bag. This is also, I can already tell this is like a cute little clear balm. This is great to give to little nieces or possibly daughters who aren't like into makeup yet, but like want a little something put on their lips. This is a good little thing for them. Get them started, you know what I mean? Okay, number 9, all the way over here. Okay, we switched sides. We were like doing a lot on this side over here. Opening her up, see what we've got. Ooh, Kopari. I love Kopari. Golden Aura Body Oil. I have used this before. I'm actually really impressed with myself with how many things I have tried. This is the 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid body oil. This stuff is just divine. You can smell it even though it's completely sealed, which says a lot. Again, we have a good little travel size. This isn't gonna give you a shimmer. This is just gonna give you a glow, like a good healthy glow, which I love. Sometimes the shimmer can go like a little too much, a little too strong, and you just look like you have glitter all over your body. This is just gonna look like a good dewy glow in the best way. Great to keep in your bag if you're going out somewhere or you have an event and you wanna like reapply later. Here she is, this is what you need. And we are officially to the double digits. We are moving on to 10, who is all the way over in this corner. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, cute. We have a Pat McGrath Divine Blush in the prettiest little box. I love Pat McGrath and I absolutely do not have enough of the products. She's so pretty. This is an excellent color. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good. I just love when blush has like a stamp on it. I think it's so classy and so elegant. I am gonna go ahead and mess it up though. It's giving kind of like a dusty rose color. Very pigmented. I don't think you're gonna need a lot of this stuff. A little bit's gonna go a long way. In the best way, it means you're getting your money's worth, which we love Revolve. We love that. Okay, number 11 all the way up. Oh, it almost happened. Number 11 all the way up here in this corner. Let's open her up, see what we've got here. Ooh, this is so fun. This is so glittery. What is it? Adult Lemon Head Los Angeles Space Paste Illuminating Glitter Concentrate. I have never heard of this and I'm so intrigued. Let's open it up. Okay, it feels kind of like glue. We're gonna swatch her. Very pretty, like moon dust. This is so gorgeous. I definitely put way too much on my hand, but I feel like this would be a very fun thing to use for going out, for your birthday, for fun parties, for festivals even, if used in a fun way, for little sparkles here and there. But I could so see myself having so much fun with this, with my makeup on New Year's specifically, and festivals, absolutely festivals. Okay, here we go, number 12. This is the good size one. Very excited to open it. Ooh, this is fun. We're switching it up a little bit. We have a hair comb. This is from the brand Solar Eclipse, and this is a hand-painted pocket comb. It's designed for effortless on-the-go detangling and touch-ups. The gua sha-inspired curved tips gently massage the scalp to help stimulate circulation, relieve tension, and support healthier roots, which honestly I could really use. So love this. Great to keep in your bag at all times, not just something to keep at home. Okay, 13, lucky number 13. Let's open her up. This one feels kind of heavy. Ooh, we have a Color Wow Money Mist. This is a Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner for glossy, expensive looking hair. Now, I've never tried this before. I've never even heard of this before. So I'm so excited to try this and give this a go. You just spray throughout clean, damp hair and comb through, and it looks like it smells good too. So excited to try this. I've never used this before. I've never even heard of this before, but it says expensive looking hair, so I'm gonna hold them to that. Moving on to number 14. Here we go. Starting to find the numbers a lot easier now, guys. Okay, number 14, we have a mini Tartelette tubing mascara. Again, with the travel size, these are great to keep in your bag. These are great to go in your gym bag and excellent for the jet setters, the travelers, the people that are constantly on the go. This one's for them. Or a stocking stuffer, of course. Moving on to 15. Ooh, I know this packaging. Super Goop. Anytime I see that yellow, I know the brand right away. We have the Unseen Sunscreen. This is SPF 50, and I love this product. I use this product on a regular basis. I love this stuff. It works really well like a primer, so it works really well under makeup. It doesn't white cast, so it's not going to affect your skin tone in any way. It's water resistant, sweat resistant, all the good things, no edits. And she's a mini, so you already know the drill. On the go people, gym bags, stocking stuffers. Number 16, decently big box. Oh my gosh, for such a tiny product, we have a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. They fooled us with that one. I love Laura Mercier. This is a good color. I can tell already just by the packaging. This is kind of like a mauvey pink, and I love. Let's go ahead and swatch her, because you know with makeup, you have to swatch her. It's so funny. This is very similar to the blush and very similar to the lip oil that I swatched too. This goes on so smoothly like butter. I feel like it would blend out really well too. So if you're not like a makeup professional, I feel like you wouldn't have to be in order to make this blend out like a dream, which is what good makeup should be. All right, opening up number 17. Oribe, we have a Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. This is such an incredible hair brand. I have loved every single product that I've tried from them, but I actually haven't tried this one. So again, yes, I'm keeping this one. And I'm gonna be honest, the thing I love the most about Oribe is not only are they just fantastic and work amazing on your hair, but they smell so incredible. Like they honestly should start just like a perfume line or a candle line, because they smell divine. Every time I use their products, I feel like I walk out of the shower and I just smell incredible. The house smells incredible. Big fan. Also a good size mini, not like a mini, a good size. Okay, let's go ahead and open 18. Ooh, oh my gosh, we have a lash serum. This is the Essential Lash Serum. I haven't tried this brand before. Oh, it's Babe Lash. I have tried this brand before. If you haven't heard, long lashes are all the rage, and this is how everyone is doing it. Babe Lash is, everyone's using lash serums and getting like these long, beautiful, voluminous lashes, and now I have my very own. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go, starting 19, and then we're done with the teens, guys. We're gonna be done with them. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with these. I order these all the time. I've gone through like big packs, not these mini ones. I've gone through big packs of these. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel Pads, and I love them. I literally love them. I've told everyone about them. I even did a TikTok about them not that long ago. This is a 2-step daily peel. Well, maybe not daily. I think you have to work up to the daily process, but this is a 2-step peel process for your skin, and I love them. They're incredible, and I love to use them like every other day in my skincare routine. They even have stronger versions that you can work your way up to. I also take them with me traveling. I even got my sister into them when we were in Seoul this past spring. She loved them. This is the medium sensitivity. They have a step below if you have really sensitive skin. They also have a step higher if you have more like stronger skin and want to like really step it up. But I personally think this like medium zone is really perfect. I'm a big fan of this. So for all the skincare people, this is the perfect gift for them. You guys, we made it to the 20s. We only have 5 more left. Look at this big one. Look at her. She's just been eyeing me this entire time. Okay, number 20. We have Little Baby Sol de Janeiro. I love Sol de Janeiro. This is their Beija Flor Elasti Cream. This stuff smells so good. The cream is rich. It is so nourishing. I feel like my skin is taking like a giant drink of water. I feel like all of the high schoolers love this stuff. So if you have any younger girls in your family, I feel like they're gonna love a gift like this. Oh my God, literally, I just wanna like marinate in that scent for days. 21, all right, here we go. Opening her up, blank box. What is she? Let's see. Oh, this is fun. I've never heard of this before. I'm intrigued. It says Fortuna Skin Biphase Moisturizing Oil. Guys, it's $225. It's a biphase moisturizing oil. It defeats dryness, dull skin, and daily pollutants with its innovative biphase oil. You shake it to combine, and once you've done that, botanically infused olive oil and nutrient-rich olive leaf water visibly plump, protect, and replenishes skin's moisture barrier to leave skin glowing. Wow. Maybe I'll give all the rest away and keep this one for myself instead. This is beautiful. Also, this is one of those pieces that you actually want to like keep on your shelf because she's so pretty. Like, look at her. Okay guys, 22. Here we go. 22 is Ilia. We have, oh my gosh, their Limitless mascara. I love this mascara. I actually ran out and I was sad about it. So stoked to have another one. Ilia, in my opinion, is just like, they just like encompass everything natural beauty. They radiate easy and effortless. And if you know someone in your life who gives that, that's who you should give this to, because that's who Ilya was made for. Okay, 23, here we go. I know this one. We have an Olaplex bonding oil. I love this stuff. I use this on my hair all the time. This stuff is incredible. This stuff is also fairly expensive. Again, we have another product that just looks incredible on your counter, on your bathroom shelf. She just looks so nice sitting there. I love using this at the end of the day on unwashed hair. So, you know, on second day hair, maybe I'm getting ready to go to bed, I'll like brush my hair and then I'll put some of this on my ends, brush it through, and then, you know, prep my hair for going to bed. This stuff is so nourishing specifically for your ends and bonding, and I cannot recommend it enough. So for example, here's how you would do it. You just flip it over and do a tap method. You go tap, tap, tap. You rub it in your hands like this. I like to start at my actual ends because that's like the most driest part, and then work my way up. You don't need a lot. Obviously, you can base that on the thickness of your hair, but that's what I like to do. And then I personally will take like a Boar's brush or something and brush it through my hair, but that's what you do. It's super easy, and I promise you, your hair will thank you. Okay guys, 24, we have 2 left. I know this branding, I'm very excited. We have Summer Fridays. I love all things Summer Fridays. I'm obsessed with everything they do. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydrating Mist. This stuff should never leave your side, honestly. I feel like this should just be in your bag, in your back pocket, in your backpack, wherever you go, because you can literally apply it at any time of day, whether you're wearing makeup or not, and it'll hydrate your skin. So like, why not do it multiple times a day? Like 10 minutes from now, like 3 hours from now, doesn't matter. Hydration, hydration, hydration. You get the picture. Okay guys, here we go. 25, this is the last one. I'm so excited. This is the big box. This is the big boy. I've been waiting. We all have been waiting. Ooh, I love how most of these brands are just so, I just know. This is a Barefoot Dreams. Look at this. Their little footy socks. And they have grip on the ends, which is so perfect because my new house has hardwood floors and they're so slippery. For those of you guys that don't or have never felt Barefoot Dreams socks, it's like touching a cloud. It's the softest, most coziest material you will ever feel, and it feels like a warm hug for your body. They have tons of things. They have blankets, they have sweaters, they have jackets, they have obviously socks, they have like matching sets, all the things. But what a great gift. I love getting socks for Christmas. I just think it's something my family has always done, and like fuzzy socks for Christmas, what a dream. So love these, love the color, love that they have little grips on the bottom. They're so cute and I can't wait to wear them. That is everything inside the Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar that is worth $800. That's only going for $150. Whether you're treating yourself or surprising someone special, this is definitely something you're gonna wanna grab before it's gone. Shop it through the link below. I'm Ashley, of course. You can check out my channel. It's Ashley Nichole. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Revolve's channel for more beauty videos. Bye.